that have been raised regarding the commitment of the Kenya Kwanza administration in combating corruption, and whether the tribulations on the control of budget are basically meant to slow her down owing to her sharp criticism of the government and possibly its operations.
Well, first, this other first one here, you're talking about investigations into this matter. Of course, as I mentioned, there really some people who are in court challenging the outcome. Yet the ministry is also in the process of admitting the others into schools. This itself actually shows the kind of chaos that we're going through. Of course, the courts will pronounce themselves on this matter, so we don't want to prejudge what the court will say over this matter. But it's a very sorry state of affairs, I think, stand right now. And as what we want to see done is to ensure that we get to the bottom of this matter, how it was conceived, who were involved, and who are the beneficiaries of this, so that this thing does not recur again in the future. The second question you're saying is about... I made a statement yesterday, and I saw that this matter was in Parliament also this morning. Our belief is that this lady is actually being witch-hunted because of the stand that she's taken. Because recently, when she appeared before the bilateral team at Bomas and talked about inflation of salaries, that her own salary had been inflated in the budget more than 3 times, basically exposing the corruption that exists in the government. I think that people are uncomfortable with her. They want to get rid of her from that office, because you're talking about something that happened 80 years ago. The ECC is the one which is prosecuting. She was interviewed and appointed, and before somebody is appointed to a position like that one here, you must get actually a certificate of clean conduct from ECC. It's one of those bodies. Why now? Did they not have those records at that time? Why is it that now that they all of a sudden have come up with this issue? So this is basically just a witch hunt. They want to smear her name so that they get rid of her. But she's a holder of a constitutional office. And my view is that in spite of the charges which they have leveled against her, she still seems to be innocent until she's been proved guilty through the due process. So she should continue to exercise her duty as controller of budget.